We made it to I want to call it the I-Town. I believe it's pronounced Iprali. Not sure, but this is where we are staying. It's definitely the biggest guest house here. It is 80 gel per person. That includes lodging, dinner, breakfast, and a packed lunch. They have a little bar on site. Can get stuff in there. They have wine, beer, snacks. Oh, they have Oreos. And Pringles. Okay. We'll do our room first. So our room's down here. They first showed us upstairs, but Anthony is super tall, and he didn't fit with those slanted ceilings. So it's basic. I mean, it's a tea house truck. So this is 2 single beds upstairs. If it would have been tall enough, would have been 1 double bed. And Anthony's coming out of the bathroom. You got a balcony out here. You're so silly.
Look at you. They're my size. Gucci, Fendi, Prada.
How cute. You're ridiculous. So all of this is their property. It's amazing. It's huge. Got a gazebo. Picnic table. Oh, look at this. That is even. They can make their own honey here. That's a little beehive. That's freaking cool. Got a balcony up there. My shoes got super wet today, so hopefully they will dry out before tomorrow. So they have this house, they have that house, then they also have a third building too. Like I'm telling you, this thing is freaking huge. They do have washing machine. So after this load is done, we'll do ours. And look how big. This is where we'll eat dinner and breakfast. Look how big this is. Like this is huge. Oh my goodness. And then this is also the third property, or third unit on the property. Like this is huge. I cut you out.